Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair the reverse camera on a Jaguar XF. So first things first, I'm going to show you the problem. We're going to hit start. Just drop the car into reverse. And what we've got is this blue screen and no reverse camera. So we're going to show you how to fix it. So here we've got a wire and loom that has obviously someone has tried to fix. First thing you need to do is take out these little toggles from these holes.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 10 of them. Right, and then
you just unscrew those.
Yeah.
And then you can take off this cover. Perfect.
Right. This clip.
Yeah.
Right. That comes out of there, and you pull that down, and we are going to disconnect it from there.
Push that little black toggle, cool.
Yeah. So push that in, come out. That's actually disconnected, and there's a grey one in it. You push the back in, and it clips out. Pull that through there. So when you put that in, you're putting in.
Arrows are pointing upwards.
Yeah. So all these now is going to be disconnected. Right, and you push that in there. That comes apart. Yeah, that's one piece.
Wicked.
Right, where's the new one? I'll show you.
So we've got a new wire and loom, which we're going to fit. It's going to plug in there. And we've just unplugged it down there.
So we'll put the arrows on the upside. That's it. Right, so that's in. Arrow facing up. Arrow facing up on there, but you can't really see it. Back into there. Back into there. Back into there. Right, that's done.
Lovely.
We've got to come down into it. We've got to plug that one into there. And that one into there. Right. And before we put it away, we'll test it out.
So with any luck, we smash her into reverse. We have it. A fully functioning reverse camera. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to know anything else about these vehicles, please just ask your question in the comments. Thank you.